Let's try it.
Okay.
She.
No. She is a cook. Welcome to She is a Cook.
It's time.
Welcome to She is a Cook, and today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies with a twist because it's the holiday season.
Holiday season.
The holiday season is coming around. Oh, we was on a ball. It is the holiday season, and so we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies, but it's going to be chocolate chip cookies with a twist. The twist is there's no sugar, there's no gluten, and it's still going to be delicious.
Yes.
Now, if you've seen our Portillo's chocolate cake, it's really good.
It's good.
But it did not form. So hopefully today our cookies will form.
Yes.
So let's go over the ingredients and then we're going to bring you close. All right. So we have 2 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cups of allulose sugar, 1 stick of butter, 3/4 cup of coconut sugar, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. I have no idea how many chocolate chips, a bag and a half. Oh, monk fruit chocolate chip, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I have 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, just in case the dough needs to be a little bit moist. All right, so we're gonna bring you close and then we are going to mix it all together. Ready?
Yes.
All right.
What ingredients? Butter, vanilla extract, egg.
That's right. That's right. Add the sugar.
Or coconut sugar.
Coconut flour, salt. All right, so we have hot water here, and it's very hot, so I have to use the big glove here.
Take the claw.
And then we pour it in.
Ooh. And now we're mixing.
Let's see. What? We take such big scoops. I think it needs more sugar. It's right here. Okay. This should be interesting.
Voila! Wait, I gotta take one for love.
All right. So we're supposed to put it in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to put the majority of it in the refrigerator. While that is happening, I'm going to put some in the oven just to see what happens. If you want to grab the cookie scoop, I'm going to grab some parchment paper. I wasn't, but if that's what you want to do, we can. All right. I'm going to put these in the oven for 8 minutes while we put the rest of them in the freezer, and we will be back. Okay, so these are the cookies when we did not chill them.
They actually look very good.
So it did that.
Ooh.
Oh, that's like
Perfect.
Perfectly good. This is a winner.
This is so
This
good.
is absolutely a winner. If you don't like them gooey, then obviously you need to cook them longer. I mean, these are so gooey that they're like falling apart.
Oh, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, share it with friends. Try this recipe. Check out the other videos.
And if you try it, let me know. Please in the comments. Let me know that you tried it, how it turned out. And yeah, Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas.
See you later. Bye.
See you later.